my channel. Today I'm with my friend Shannon. Of course, little Zay has to be in the frame too. But I mentioned in my New Year's resolution video that I wanted to do makeup more. So I thought, girl, come on over, let me do your makeup. So that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm going to film it for you guys. So let's get started. Guys, so this is the finished look. I wanted to go for more of a classic wing liner, a little bronze on the eyes, and a bold red lip. So this is the look that I did. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me do her makeup. If you'd like a more maybe in-depth video on how to do makeup on someone else, I'm still learning, but I could do that. for you guys. So I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.